Hello everybody, welcome to DudiMoney.com, and as we just quickly go to my picks, so I think around last week we had given our some kind of a pick from our side, from our analysts, for dollar yen and for euro pound. So let's see how it has gone so far. So we take this one, dollar yen, and we asked our followers to make a buy on this pair at 79.05, and we keep the take profit level open, and stop loss at 78.60 level. So so far this okay, so as you can see here, we have nearly escaped from the price hitting our stop loss level at this level. So the price had initially triggered our buy entry, and then after that it's moved up. So we are in the money now in this trade, and since the take profit level is open, I think it's better to decide on this how you want to trade, because currently if you see the I have drawn the short-term support and the resistance line here. The price is moving. This is the daily chart, what you see, and the price movement is between this channel. So what I suspect is that on a short term, unless there is a significant rally in the US dollar, I don't think that this particular price movement is going to change significantly. So what I would suggest is that from a short-term trading perspective, it's better to close the trade on a Monday morning, or later in the evening, when the price reaches at this level, around this level here. So this is quite possible because the price, the US dollar, is very strong, and for the past 2 weeks, and the price can significantly go higher than this. But on a short-term perspective, by looking at this support and the resistance line, the price has been traveling in this channel up and down, and then it's already reaching the resistance. So I would suspect that there would be a downside on that, and then we can have a buy entry set up and somewhere here in this zone, and then we can set up a short-term trade around 77.50 and 78 level. So for now, I think we change, we bring down for short term. Okay, I'm not talking about the long term. For short term, we would bring our take profit level into the picture here, and then we would set take profit to be 80. We set it at 80 or 80.30. Yeah, 80.30 would be a good stop, a good take profit, and that means that we are in the money by around 120 pips. So that's a good amount of money, depending on what lot you have bought. Okay, so let's move on to another pair which we have suggested that it's gonna have a good buy, euro pound, and euro pound. If I could show you the monthly chart here, the price is really hit the support and has bounced back. So we are in the money in this pair as well. So if you go here, we had a buy set at 80.30 level, and that's around here, and 03. Okay, so we are actually not in the money on this pair. Okay, so we are not in the money on this pair, and then we might have to think otherwise, but we are still safe because the stop loss is in 75.40 zone. So I would really think that this pair is gonna go higher, and I would still be interested in this trade. and I would be interested to take a risk of around 90 pips to make this already reached almost oversold level. So I think my trade take profit could be beyond 83 level. So I would be interested in this trade with a risk factor of $90 for a stop loss. But this pair is very nicely placed now for a price movement higher, and we look forward to see some positive outcome of this pair, and as well as for dollar yen. And I'll come up with another pair. Optimistic about this pair, and want to trade this pair, and that's euro pound. And euro pound, as you can see here, it's really oversold. Okay, it's really oversold, and some kind of a formation you can see here, this level here. And what I suspect is that we're gonna see a upside correction for this pair, and though I'm not too optimistic considering the fact that Eurozone hasn't shown any improvement, and still there is going to be a risk of getting into euro pairs, because unless we have a positive outcome from the eurozone, all the euro pairs, just like euro franc, euro franc is just like for the last 1 or 2 months it hasn't moved by even 20 pips. I mean 20 to 30 pips. It's so tight. It's moving in a very, very tight range actually. But if you see the other pair like euro yen, I mean yen is driving all other currencies actually. That's been a significant pair, that's significant currency for the last 1 or 2 months, been driving almost all the major currencies. So this particular pair I'm interested in is the euro pound and euro yen. Actually what we're saying is euro yen, and it's already below 100, and I strongly see that there should be there would be definitely a positive correction, upside correction on this pair, and I would definitely have a buy on this pair around at this current level, or maybe when the price reaches this level, 99.50 level, and I will set my take profit open, and my stop loss would be $100. That is 98.50 at this level. So that is just above the support line which I have drawn. If you see this support line actually, so my stop loss is just below that, and I'm hoping for around 100 to 200 pips profit in terms of short term, 1 or 2 weeks to 1 month straight. And in the long term, I would definitely see that there's something positive going to come up from the eurozone, and this pair going to move back to the 2008 2009 the high level, and I'm very optimistic in that. So hopefully that's it for now, and then I'm going to cover more currency pairs depending on the possibility of they offer a good opportunity in making some good bucks. So until then, please visit my website at www.DudiMoney.com, and please leave your feedback, any questions or queries. I would be delighted to get back to you. Thank you very much for watching my video.